Good morning, all. We gotta friggin' change the oil on the '09 Pontiac Torrent 3.6 liter. Stay tuned. This is the shittiest location for a oil filter. See that? That friggin' blows. But where there's a will, there's a way. And patience. Patience. Oh. So, I went across the alley to help the lady connect her Bluetooth. It doesn't work. Then, she wants me to help her install struts to her Lexus. So we're going to try that. So back to my life. We're now going to loosen that bolt. Right. Fuck. There. That bolt right there to drain the rest of the oil. Look at that. Shitty shit oil coming out. Love it. So the new filter is on. Hand tighten so you can get it off easier next time. And do not forget to tighten the oil plug while you're down here.